Hello students, welcome back to our channel that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve 7 SSC previous year questions on percentage. These questions are very important for SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GT. So take your notebook and pen and try to solve along with me. Let's start. Now question number 12. A dozen A dozen pairs of socks quoted at rupees 180 are available at discount of 20%. How many pairs of socks can be bought for rupees 48? Here, the price at which the socks are available is 180. There is 20% discount. That means it will be sold 80% of 180. So 80% of 180 is 144. That means the price of a dozen pair means 12 pairs. So price of 12 pairs is equal to 144. So one pair, the price of one pair is equal to 144 divided by 12. So that is equal to 12. Again, that means we have to found how many pairs of socks can be bought. That means 48 divided by 12, because we have to bought for rupees 48. So that is equal to 4. That means 4 pairs. So here we can bought 4 pairs of socks at rupees 48. So here option 2 is the right answer. Now next question. Question 13. The sum of the numbers of boys and girls in a school is 150. If the number of boys is x, the number of girls becomes x% of the total number of students. The number of boys is dash. Now listen here. Boys plus girls is equal to 150. So this implies here it is written that the number of boys is x. So here the number of boys is x plus the number of girls becomes x% of the total number of students. So it is x% of 150. So that is equal to 150. Then this implies x plus x by 100 into 150. So that is equal to 150. So this implies here this 0 cancels this 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So this implies x plus 3x by 2 is equal to 150. Then after solving, we'll get here same is 2, so it is 2x plus 3x is equal to 150. So this implies 5x by 2 is equal to 150. This implies x is equal to 150 into 2 divided by 5. So 5 is 50, 0, 30 into 2, so that is equal to 60. That means your option 4 is the right answer. Now you can also solve these questions by looking at the options only. That means it is given that x plus x percent of 150, that is equal to 150. So it is given that x plus x percent of 150 is equal to 150. Now suppose x is 90, so 90 plus 90% of 150, that is more than 150, so this option is rejected. Now 50 plus 50% of x, 50 plus 50% of x, so it is less than 150, so we can reject this option. Again 40 plus 40% of 150 is also less than 150. Now 60 plus 60% of 150, so this is equal to 60 plus 60 by 100 into 150. So here this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, so 15 6 are 90, so that is equal to 60 plus 90, so that is equal to 100. That means here LHS is equal to RHS, so here option 4 is the right answer. Now next question. That is question number 14. Now x is 5 times longer than y. Suppose y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 5, because it is given that x is 5 times longer than y. So now by percentage, the percentage by which y is less than x, y is here less, here y is less, 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Percentage less is 4 by 5 into 100, so that is equal to 80%. That means your option B is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 15. Age salary is 14% of B's salary and B's salary is 25% of C's salary. What percentage of C's salary is A's salary? Now A, B, C are 3 persons. Suppose the salary of C is 100. Now B's salary is 25% of C's salary. That means here B salary is 25, and again A's salary is 40% of B's salary. So 40% means it is 40% of 25. So 40% of 25 is 10. Now what percentage of C's salary is A's salary? Now A's salary is 10% of C's salary, because it is 10. Salary of A is 10 and salary of C is 100. So here A's salary is 10% of C's salary. Now option 2 is the right answer. Now next question. That is question number 16. The average salary of male employees in a firm was rupees 5,200 and that of females was rupees 4,200. The mean salary of all the employees was rupees 5,000. What is the percentage of female employees? Now here male, female, here the average salary of male employees is 5,200. That of female was 4,200. The mean salary of all the employees was 5,000. So here we can solve this question by allegation or mixture method. Now it is difference is 800, the difference is 200. So this 20 cancels these two zeros, and here this is 4, this is 1, so 1 is to 4. Now it is given that what is the percentage of female employees? So female employees is 1, total employees is 5 into 100. So that is equal to 20%. That means your option 2 is the right answer. If you want the detailed solution, then you can click the playlist and watch the full videos where you get the complete chapter. Now the link of the chapter percentage playlist is given in the description box. Now the next question. It is question 17. The difference of two numbers is 45% of their sum. Suppose two number A minus B. Difference of two number is 45% of their sum. 45% of A plus B. Now this implies A minus B is equal to 45 by 100 to A plus B. Now this implies A minus B by A plus B is equal to 45 by 100. Now 5 9 are 45, and when 100 is divided by 5 it becomes 20. Now here A minus B is equal to 9 and A plus B is equal to 20. So after adding here plus minus B plus B cancels, so 2A is equal to 29. A is equal to 29 by 2, so that is equal to 14.5. 14.5. Now A is 14.5 and B is here in A plus B is given that A plus B is equal to 20. So A is 14.5 plus B, so that is equal to 20. This implies B is equal to 20 minus 14.5 So that is equal to 5.5. Now we have to find the ratio of the larger number to the smaller number. Here larger number is A, that is 14.5, and smaller number is B, that is 5.5. So A by B is equal to 14.5 divided by 5.5. Here so this is equal to 145 divided by 55, because after decimal point one digit is there in both the numbers. So when 145 is divided by 5, it becomes 29. When 55 is divided by 5, it becomes 11. So 29 by 11. That means your option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, or this is the last question. Question number 18. In an alloy, there is 12% of copper. To get 69 kg of copper, how much alloy will be there? Now, that means suppose x kg alloy is required. So 12% of x kg, that is equal to 69 kg. So this implies 12 by 100 into x, that is equal to 69. This implies x is equal to 69 into 100 divided by 12. So it is when 3, it becomes 4, 3, it becomes 23. Now 4, when 100 is divided by 4, it becomes 25. So 23 into 25, so that is equal to 575 kg. That means your option 2 is the right answer. So students, today we solved 7 SSC previous year questions on percentage. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel for more SSC Math previous year question videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.